This is Kyle back with 99 Dreams. We're on the road here in Austin, and we just came from a really cool meetup. And by we, I mean this guy, Andy, and me. We just had a good time with our friends over at the Perplexity meetup, and I wanted to show you a cool feature that we're using with that. Probably the number one most requested feature for Dream is web search and live internet access. So I'm going to pull something from a recent blog. I'm going to say create a web app that uses this info, and it's a blog about Perplexity, but it's also from our friends at E2b. And E2b.dev is the thing that powers Dream under the hood in terms of where we deploy our containers. So it's a combo hit here. We actually use now both Perplexity and E2b, and then they just had a big announcement about working together about new features that were released in Perplexity. So you'll notice that whenever I post a URL now, it actually grabs that information and searches it and does an analysis. And it turns teal, which is the brand color from Perplexity, and we show search powered by Perplexity, which is really awesome. You saw how fast it was. So Perplexity is now integrated into Dream. You see it here. And it's going to come and pull that information, and it's going to build an app. And then after this, I'm going to pull another exciting article that was recently announced by the E2b team. So let's get this built quick. So we can see our Dream enhancements that we have. We can see things are getting built now, and it's going to refresh. And you can even see in the URL here for e2b.dev. So it's always been there. It's always been under the hood of Dream. And there you go. Now we have a little app that's actually pulling directly from the information from that blog post. And you can see the summary here. We've got all the highlights here. And we're going to update this now. We're going to say merge in this info. Another really exciting announcement from E2b was they just got a large round of funding. So we're gonna combine the exciting Perplexity announcement for them with the funding raise. And you can see the URL are pulled in here from the recursive.com, and it's got the highlight, and it's an impressive round, 11.5 million seed round, and it was headed by Decibel. And I've personally gotten to meet the Decibel folks, and they're amazing. So this is really exciting for E2b. So all people we like, and we're glad to be working with them. So as that's building, our users should be excited. We'll be merging this out next week. We're just doing a little bit of hardening and testing, and you'll be able to do multiple web searches and combine them into your apps you create with Dream. So we can see that our title is updated as well. And we have more enhancements and more ideas here. And it's going to refresh over here on the right. And then we're going to have a merge of both those things. So I'm going to pop that open in a new tab. Cool. So we've got an overview tab. We've got a technology timeline. Really cool. And then we've got a funding with Decibel with 11.5 million. This is great, and obviously this works in light mode as well, so for folks that want to read it in light mode. So we're really excited about this. We're going to have a lot more coming soon with partnerships and folks we work with, but hopefully you enjoyed this, and we can't wait to get this merged up and in your hands next week. Cheers.